Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Spanish with Dummies. So today we're going to learn about the characters of a person, personalities, right? So let's see them. Okay, first is organized. Organized, we say organizado, organizado, or organizada in Spanish. Organizado for the boy, organizada for girl, okay? Disorganized, desorganizado or disorganizada, okay? Disorganizado again, boy and a girl. Punctual, we say puntual. Puntual for both of them, it's same. Unpunctual, impuntual, impuntual. Responsible, responsable, responsable. Irresponsible, irresponsable, irresponsable. We have patient, patient. Paciente, paciente. Impatient, impaciente, impaciente. Generous, we say generoso o generosa. Generoso for boy, generosa for girl. If you say he's generous, él es generoso. She's girl, I'm sorry, she's generous, ella es generosa. Alright. Selfish, egoísta. Okay. Social, like he's very social, you know. Sociable, sociable. Reserved, reserved like, you know, introvert, you can say. Reservado or reservada. Okay, for girl and a boy. Alright, now we have some more that's serious, like he's a serious person, right? Serio or seria. Okay, serio for boy and a girl. Seria. Fun loving, like he's a very fun loving person, you know, he does a lot of fun, like divertido or divertida. Like, you know, kind of people who knows how to speak, who knows how to make the environment. I think to that kind of people we say divertido, you know, he's very fun. Interesting, interesante, interesante. Boring, aburrido for a boy and aburrida for girl. Aburrido, aburrida. Intelligent, inteligente, inteligente. Stupid, estúpido o estúpida. Okay, he's stupid. Él es estúpido. Ella es. Nice, kind or friendly. You can say simpático or simpática. Okay. And finally, if you want to say someone is rude, mean, unkind, unfriendly, then you can say antipático, okay, or antipática for boys and girls. Alright, so let's see some of the sentences. Alright, so it's like, what type of boss do you want and why? Okay, so boss, we say jefe for the male boss, jefa for female boss. Okay, so what type of boss do you want and why? So my answer is like, I want a generous boss because he pays well. So you say, yo quiero un jefe generoso. Okay, jefe generoso. Why I put generoso? Because jefe is a boy, right? He's a boy. Instead of generosa, I could have end this with a as well, but I do it o because jefe is boy, right? Porque él paga bien. Alright, él paga bien. I want an unpunctual boss because I'm unpunctual. Alright, yo quiero un jefe impuntual porque soy impuntual. Okay, I want a fun-loving boss because I want to enjoy. Yo quiero una jefa divertida porque quiero disfrutar. Okay, yo quiero una jefa divertida. Now, in fun, you know, fun-loving, if you see here, we have two words for them. Either it's divertido or either it's divertida, right? So it depends on whom you are describing, right? Now here I put divertida, the female version, because I put jefa here. Female boss, right? I want a female boss, a fun-loving female boss, because I want to enjoy. So jefa divertida, okay? But here it's jefe generoso, because if you see here back, generoso here, we have generoso and generosa, right? Generoso for the male, generosa for female, and it was male, so I put generoso. Alright, next question. What qualities you want in your partner and why? Alright, so she has to be tolerant because I always make a lot of mess. Alright, so ella tiene que ser tolerante porque yo siempre hago un desastre. Alright? Ella tiene que ser, which means she has to be, tolerant, porque yo siempre, I always, hago un desastre. Un desastre is like a mess, a disaster. She has to be responsible because I'm very responsible. Alright. Ella tiene que ser responsable porque soy muy irresponsable. Ella tiene que ser responsable porque soy muy irresponsable. So if someone, my future partner is hearing this, I'm repeating again this for you. Ella tiene que ser responsable porque soy muy irresponsable. Alright, the last one. She has to be a queen because I'm a king. Alright? So, ella tiene que ser una reina porque soy un rey. Okay? Once more. Ella tiene que ser una reina porque soy un rey. Alright? I hope it was helpful. Alright, so please like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.